What is it that is giving you your joy today? The joy you derive from any other thing apart from Jesus and your salvation will not last forever. Rejoice because you have Jesus. That is giving you your joy today? Is it women? They will fail you. Is it money? They will fail you. Is it riches? They will fail you. Is it how many houses you have built in your places? I want to tell you, all will fail you. The only joy that you will have now is the joy of having Christ. Like as the second song is saying, Daboloko frubone, okere mogane dekbere gwewo, e mogane, e dekbere gwewo, Daboloko frubone, abona. Hima, 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 chima. Idaboloko frugo na yo, idaboloko frugo na. Okere mama na ebe. Lord yo idaboloko. Idaboloko frugo na. Aboro idaboloko frugo na yo. Idaboloko frugo na. Idaboloko frugo na. Idabolo na ko frugo na. At the mention of the name of Jesus Christ, every knee will bow and every tongue will confess that Jesus is Lord. Oh, Sister Catherine, go through my daughter Grace, when I say my colleague is Ahina bolo kofu bomena.